Hello kindergarten 2 students, how are you today guys? I hope you're doing fun so you can do your reading activity as well. And alright, today I will give you a reading tutorial for homework on 18th April and I hope you can do your reading activity to improve your reading skill. Okay, as usual, we will practice the English first and then Bahasa. We have some sentences and a short story for both. Okay, let's start. Number 1. My mom uses cooking oil to fry the chicken. Number 2, we boil the water before making noodles. Number 3, flowers need good soil to grow well. Number 4, he went to the toilet after breakfast. Number 5, the children played happily with their new toys. Number 6, the boy with the red hat is my cousin. Number 7, we tried fresh lobster at the seafood restaurant. Number 8, she jumped with joy when she saw the puppy. Number 9, I dropped my coin under the table by mistake. Number 10, they enjoy playing outside on sunny days. Now we will go to our short story from Sounds Grade 3 from Unit 1 to Unit 8. Let's start. It is a sunny day in June and Dave wants to play. He asked his friend to join, but no one is free, so he goes out alone. He sees a note on the door that says, "Gone for a bike ride." He grabs his kite and walks to the park. There he sees a big hole in the ground. Curious, he looks inside and trips. Ouch! Now his knee feels sore. As he sits down, a boy walks by with the same kite. They start talking and play a fun game together. Okay, now we will start from Unit 4. We will have another short story. Let's start. Lina and her friend go camping by the lake. They bring a tent, a clock, and a small flag to put outside. As they set up the tent, they see a frog hopping near a stone. They laugh and they take a photo of it. Then they go for a slow walk to the water. They eat a yummy snack and watch people fish nearby. Before bed, they check the price of a boat ride for tomorrow. They fold their clothes, napkins, smile, and get ready to sleep under the stars. Oke, sekarang kita akan masuk pada membaca bahasa Indonesia, yaitu dari seri baca kita. Yang pertama akan ada cerita pendek dari seri baca tulis semester 2 pada halaman 24 yang berjudul Apel Merah. Itu ada apel merah. Apel merah manis rasanya. Merah kulitnya, putih isinya. Aku suka apel merah. Apel merah mudah didapat. Aku beli apel di toko, di pasar juga ada, di mana-mana ada. Nah, selanjutnya akan ada cerita pendek dari seri baca tulis semester 2, yaitu dari halaman 2 sampai 23. Pagi itu, Lala mandi dengan air bersih, lalu memakai baju barunya. Ia senang sekali karena hari ini mau bermain di kebun belakang rumah. Ia membawa bola baru kesayangannya yang berwarna merah. Saat asyik bermain, tiba-tiba sapi milik nenek datang mendekat. Sapi itu berhenti di dekat Lala dan mulai makan rumput sambil melihat bola. Lala tertawa. Mau main bola juga ya, katanya. Setelah main, Lala duduk di ayunan sambil minum susu coklat bersama dengan si sapi. Oke, untuk bacaan yang terakhir yaitu review unit dari seri baca tulis semester 1 halaman 5 sampai 32. Siang itu, cuaca sangat panas dan Rani merasa malas untuk bermain. Tapi Bunda mengajaknya ke pasar naik mobil kecil milik ayah. Di pasar, mereka beli kurma, jamur, dan daging domba. Wah, semua murah sekali hari ini, kata Bunda. Saat pulang, mereka mampir ke sumur untuk mengambil air. Tiba-tiba langit jadi gelap, seperti mau hujan. Rani sedikit takut, tapi Bunda tersenyum. Ayo pulang, kita hemat tenaga dan istirahat. Nanti malam bisa ikut ayah ronda. Okay guys, that's all for our reading tutorial. I hope you can practice at home and don't forget to send your video to our WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you guys. See you on the next reading tutorial. Bye-bye.